Artificial Intelligence, AI. Introduction. In the previous chapter you have been studied about data science, how data acquisition, analyzed and stored. Basic concepts of big data were also studied. In this chapter, artificial intelligence, history, types, and applications in different sectors are studied. Finally, some tools and platforms, as well as a real sample of AI applications, are discussed. After completing this chapter, the students will be able to explain what artificial intelligence, AI, is. Describe the eras of AI. Explain the types and approaches of AI. Describe the applications of AI in health, agriculture, business, and education. List the factors that influenced the advancement of AI in recent years. Understand the relationship between the human's way of thinking and AI systems. Identify AI research focus areas. Identify real-world AI applications, some platforms, and tools. What is artificial intelligence, AI? Artificial intelligence is composed of two words, artificial and intelligence. Artificial defines man-made, and intelligence defines thinking power, or the ability to learn and solve problems. Hence, artificial intelligence means a man-made thinking power. So, we can define artificial intelligence, AI, as the branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like humans, and able to make decisions. Intelligence, as we know, is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge. Knowledge is the information acquired through experience. Experience is the knowledge gained through exposure, training. Summing the terms up, we get artificial intelligence as the copy of something natural, i.e., human beings, who is capable of acquiring and applying the information it has gained through exposure. What do you think to make the machine think and make a decision like human beings do? Artificial intelligence exists when a machine can have human-based skills such as learning, reasoning, and solving problems. With artificial intelligence you do not need to pre-program a machine to do some work. Despite that, you can create a machine with programmed algorithms which can work with own intelligence. Intelligence is composed of reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, linguistic intelligence. An AI system is composed of an agent and its environment. An agent, example human or robot, is anything that can perceive its environment through sensors and acts upon that environment through effectors. Intelligent agents must be able to set goals and achieve them. In classical planning problems, the agent can assume that it is the only system acting in the world, allowing the agent to be certain of the consequences of its actions. However, if the agent is not the only actor, then it requires that the agent can reason under uncertainty. This calls for an agent that can not only assess its environment and make predictions but also evaluate its predictions and adapt based on its assessment. Machine perception is the ability to use input from sensors, such as cameras, microphones, sensors, etc., to deduce aspects of the world. Example: computer vision. High-profile examples of AI include autonomous vehicles, such as drones and self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, creating art, such as poetry, proving mathematical theorems, playing games, such as chess or Go, search engines, such as Google Search, online assistants, such as Siri. Image recognition in photographs, spam filtering, prediction of judicial decisions and targeting online advertisements. AI deals with the area of developing computing systems that are capable of performing tasks that humans are very good at, for example recognizing objects, recognizing and making sense of speech, and decision-making in a constrained environment. The advent of big data, driven by the arrival of the Internet, smart mobile and social media, has enabled AI algorithms, in particular from machine learning and deep learning, to leverage big data and perform their tasks more optimally. This, combined with cheaper and more powerful hardware such as graphical processing units, GPUs, has enabled AI to evolve into more complex architectures. Machine learning is an advanced form of AI where the machine can learn as it goes rather than having every action programmed by humans. Many times, students get confused between machine learning and artificial intelligence. See Figure 3.1, but machine learning, a fundamental concept of AI research since the field's inception, is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience. The term machine learning was introduced by Arthur Samuel in 1959. Neural networks are biologically inspired networks that extract features from the data in a hierarchical fashion. The field of neural networks with several hidden layers is called deep learning. Figure 3.1 Artificial Intelligence, AI, Machine Learning, ML, and Deep Learning, DL. 1. To create expert systems that exhibit intelligent behavior with the capability to learn, demonstrate, explain, and advise its users. 2. Helping machines find solutions to complex problems like humans do and applying them as algorithms in a computer-friendly manner. Goals of Artificial Intelligence Activity 3.4 You have been learned about AI and the need for it. What do you think the main goal of the advancement in AI? Following are the main goals of artificial intelligence. 1. Replicate human intelligence. 2. Solve knowledge-intensive tasks. 3. An intelligent connection of perception and action. 4. Building a machine which can perform tasks that requires human intelligence such as proving a theorem, playing chess, plan some surgical operation, driving a car in traffic. 5. Creating some system which can exhibit intelligent behavior, learn new things by itself, demonstrate, explain, and can advise to its user. 3.1.3 What comprises to artificial intelligence? AI requires the knowledge of some disciplines. Write down some disciplines which AI requires. Artificial intelligence is not just a part of computer science, even it's so vast and requires lots of other factors that can contribute to it. To create the AI, first we should know that how intelligence is composed. So intelligence is an intangible part of our brain which is a combination of reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, etc. To achieve the above factors for a machine or software, artificial intelligence requires the following disciplines: mathematics, biology, psychology, sociology, computer science, neuron study, statistics. Figure 3.2 Artificial intelligence is multidisciplinary. 3.1.4 Advantages of artificial intelligence activity. 3.6 What do we get from using AI technology instead of previous reactive technology? Following are some main advantages of artificial intelligence. High accuracy with fewer errors. AI machines or systems are prone to fewer errors and high accuracy as it takes decisions as per pre-experience or information. High speed. AI systems can be of very high speed and fast decision making. Because of that, AI systems can beat a chess champion in the chess game. High reliability. AI machines are highly reliable and can perform the same action multiple times with high accuracy. Useful for risky areas. AI machines can be helpful in situations such as defusing a bomb, exploring the ocean floor, where to employ a human can be risky. Digital assistant. AI can be very useful to provide digital assistant to users, such as AI technology is currently used by various e-commerce websites to show the products as per customer requirements. Useful as a public utility. AI can be very useful for public utilities such as a self-driving car which can make our journey safer and hassle-free. Facial recognition for security purposes, natural language processing, for search engines, for spelling checker, for assistant like Siri, for translation like Google Translate, etc. 3.1.5 Disadvantages of artificial intelligence activity. 3.7 As we all know, engineering is a trade-off. Improving or enhancing in one aspect will lead you to worsen or deteriorating in another aspect. In the previous chapter, we have learned the advantages of AI. Write down some disadvantages of AI. One of the key features that distinguishes us, humans, from everything else in the world is intelligence. This ability to understand, apply knowledge and improve skills has played a significant role in our evolution and establishing human civilization. But many people, including Elon Musk, the founder of, believe that the advancement in technology can create a superintelligence that can threaten human existence. Every technology has some disadvantages, and the same goes for artificial intelligence. Being so advantageous technology still, it has some disadvantages which we need to keep in our mind while creating an AI system. Following are the disadvantages of AI. 41. High cost. The hardware and software requirement of AI is very costly as it requires lots of maintenance to meet current world requirements. Can't think out of the box. Even we are making smarter machines with AI, but still they cannot work out of the box, as the robot will only do that work for which they are trained, or programmed. No feelings and emotions. AI machines can be an outstanding performer, but still it does not have the feeling, so it cannot make any kind of emotional attachment with humans, and may sometime be harmful for users if the proper care is not taken. Increased dependence on machines. With the increment of technology, people are getting more dependent on devices and hence they are losing their mental capabilities. No original creativity, as humans are so creative and can imagine some new ideas, but still AI machines cannot beat this power of human intelligence and cannot be creative and imaginative.